Now I'm all cleaned up. Gonna go see the Wi-Fi in a minute. Oh, gotta shake all this dust out of my... Oh gosh, I missed the spot. That's a favourite spot. Clean that. Yeah. Oh gosh, it's awful. My VO's so bad. Oh, this is disgusting. Oh. God, I need some ibuprofen. Oh God, get my chest. The ladies love it. The ladies love it. Oh, that's a little embarrassing, but you gotta clean it. Oh, hopefully no one's okay. Get the chest. Get the rear. Get the legs. Oh, I'm losing my feathers. The wifey thinks I'm gonna go bald at age 30. Well, I'm 38. I'm looking fine. I'm out on the beach all day, and all she complains about is food. Ah, bugger. Look, I'm still trying to look fly for the ladies. Now, I don't think I've cleaned in a long time. Hey, was this fold flying above me? Is that Stan? Stan! Oh, bugger. Oh, I'm gonna go get him in a minute. Oh, missed a few spots. Missed a few. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you didn't get that one. Man, I could really get some shrimp on the barbie right now. All I'm getting is potato chips. They call them Lay's. Not even sour cream. Huh. My feathers taste better than those. Kettle cooked. Please. What do I look like? Some anorexic bugger to you. Trying to put the weight on for the wifey. Let's see what's down here. Might as well just stand on top of the sand mountain. Who's the boss? That's right. That's right. Right there. A little bit. There we go. Look out. What's going on? Oh my God. Right there. Perfect. Hey, was that? Is that Stan again? Stan! Is that Philip? Philip!